Hello people, today I wanted to show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11 because one of the processes TiWorker causes high CPU usage, and I will show you what services you can turn off to be able to do that. We got Windows Update Blocker. You need this tool. Uh, First you have to turn this. Wait a minute, because you need this tool to deselect to get rid of services, to turn services off. Services, service list options, Windows Update, delivery optimization. If you are not planning to download any updates, patches for Windows 11, because some updates are causing operating system to work improper work, to cause problems. They cause problems. The operating system does not work sometimes properly after applying new updates. Windows Update Medic Service, Update Orchestrator Service, and Vagrant Intelligent Transfer Service. And also, I will show you what I meant by high CPU usage. If you struggle with that, you can fix that. And I will show you how to do that because I had issue with that process. Oh no, I have to get rid of on-screen keyboard services, and you have to scroll down by mouse button to go Windows Module Installer. If you are not planning to install any of the updates, because this is what will allow you to download updates. I think the description enables installation, modification, and removal of Windows updates. If the service is disabled, install or uninstall of Windows updates might fail for this computer. But this causes TiWorker high CPU usage, so I decided to disable this. If you go properties, startup type disabled, recovery take no action, but you have to have other services off to be able to do that, like Windows Update Medic Service, Update Orchestrator, and I also disabled sysmain services which cause your operating Windows to be overloaded, and I will show you services which will you disable, which they cause your CPU and the hard drive to be overloaded. And connected user experience and telemetry I disabled as well. This was causing that problem as well. Allow telemetry. Windows search also I disabled. This is also causing your hard drive to be overloaded. And I also disabled Microsoft Defender. I hate that antivirus because it was slowing down my PC. Microsoft Defender. Oh yes, all of the services which relate to Microsoft Defender antivirus I disabled as well, because we also have Microsoft Windows Defender control. You can also use this tool, another tool, to disable Windows Defender, because this is also antivirus which causes your CPU to be overloaded. And another thing as well, task scheduler. When you go to task scheduler, there's also like Microsoft Windows application experience. Don't forget to disable this, because this will cause your CPU to be overloaded as well. You will have process called Compactel Runner, so you have to disable this so it will not run again. I mean telemetry. I hope you like my video tutorial. Bye.